Everything in this world can be explained. Some mysteries are meant to remain unsolved. And with that, she was gone again. I sat there, oblivious to the angry horns behind me, tears mixing with the rain on my face. Part of me wanted to start searching again, to prove to myself and everyone else that I wasn't crazy. But a larger part knew that Sarah was right. Some things can't be explained, can't be solved. As I finally drove home, I felt a weight lift from my shoulders. The mystery of Sarah would always be a part of me, a reminder that the world is stranger and more wonderful than we can imagine. And on rainy nights, I'll always keep an eye on my passenger seat, just in case, because you never know.